Good morning, all of you. See, children, in our last session, we have discussed the story about a brave baby. In this story, Nana, a girl who was not afraid of anybody and living along with an old woman. That old woman one day went to the emperor and he said, there is one person who was not afraid of you because all the people in the country were afraid of the king. As the king went to see that girl did not come to the king when he called. To attract the girl, he danced. ఏం చేశాడన్నా డాన్స్ చేశాడు. Even though the girl did not come near to the emperor. Okay, that is all the story what we have learned in our previous class, and we have discussed these statements. Nana, see Nana, these statements also we have discussed earlier. Discuss చేసామా, గుర్తుంది కదా అందరికీ. నా నెక్స్ట్ చిల్డ్రన్, here we are going to learn few exercises Nana on page number 56. Page number 56. Once if you see in your textbook, if you have textbook, there are the beautiful pictures given to you on page number 56, and you have to give name to the each picture Nana. Okay, first picture ఏంటన్నా number 1 ఏంటది number 1 we can call it as a bungalow. What is it Nana? Bungalow. Okay, if you see in your textbook. Second one Nana, apartment. Yes, apartment. You see the third one children, it is a tent. Third one, tent. Okay, fourth one children, palace. Fourth one, palace. Okay Nana? And the fifth one here I am writing children. Fifth picture, caravan. CARAVAN, caravan. Next sixth one, palace. Sorry Nana? Sixth one, cottage. Sixth one, cottage. But here in this Nana, in this textbook, what they have given you? They have given you the names Nana, and they told us to write the number. So tent, which number you have to write? 3. Number 3, tent. Tent ke eduruga number 3. Caravan, which number Nana? 5. Number 5. Cottage, number 6. Palace, number 4. Bungalow, number 1. Apartment, number 2. Okay? See children, in next exercise, if you observe the table given to you here on the board Nana, they told us put the doing words in the correct column, and they have specified this one: speak, move, laugh and feel. These are the few things, few categories given to us. According to the given category, according to the given type, you have to divide the given words. See children, speak ante palagada, move nadavadam, laugh navvadam, feel ante feel avadam. Okay na? The first one, step means kadultam kada, step 1 2 3 and so under move I wrote step. Okay, this one completed. Next one, grin. First you should know the grin meaning Nana. Grin is a type of a smile. Grin ante navvadam, laughing. So I wrote grin here. Like, it is a feeling. Suppose I like mangoes, I like sweets. So here I wrote like. Cry ante adavadam, sound. When we cry it makes sound, we speak some sounds here. So cry. Next, dance means movement. Okay, kadultam ante movement. And here jiggle is also a type of laugh. So here I wrote jiggle. Next, call ante pilavadam. Whenever we call, we have to speak it out. So here under speak I wrote call. Next one Nana, hurry ante tondara em chestam, we move. In hurry we move. So I wrote hurry under movement. Enjoy means feeling. Shout ante aravadam. Want, it is also a feeling. Smile means laugh. So in this way children, I have divided the given words into 4 types given to you. What are these types children? What are these words? All are action words, or you can say doing words. What all these are, Nana? Doing words. Okay children, suppose I have completed my work అంటే ఏంటి అర్థం? మీన్స్ I completed my work అంటే నా పని అయిపోయింది అని, అంటే completed అంటే ముందే వర్క్ అయిపోయింది. సో to denote the work which completed before or yesterday, we add ed to the doing word. What we are adding here, Nana? Ed to the doing word. See children, yesterday words. I hope you have completed this one. Now coming to the next page. Page number 57. 57. Here they have given you children yesterday words, means yesterday whatever you did the work. To denote such type of works you have to add ed. We use yesterday word to talk about the things that happened in the past. Past అంటే మీకు తెలియకపోవచ్చు, జరిగిపోయింది. ఓకేనా? Suppose breakfast. You ate breakfast, completed the breakfast. Okay children, ed sometimes we add ed, sometimes we will give another form of verb. Okay, here they have given you Nana some words and they told make yesterday words from these today words. Work. What is the yesterday word for work? Yesterday aithe worked. And coming to the second one, cook aithe nana cooked. Okay, next children, the third one, talk. What is the yesterday word for talk? Talked. Okay, coming to the fourth one children, wished. Next fifth one children, danced. Those who did not have textbook, they can write in their books, Nana. They can in their notebooks, all of you. Coming to the sixth one children, baked. Coming to the seventh one children, called. Coming to the eighth one children, clapped. They have given us today words and I have given you the yesterday words. Once revise, see children. Work, worked. Cook, cooked. Talked. Wish, wished. Dance, danced. Bake, baked. Call, called. Clap, clapped. See children, this is the exercise given to you on page number 57. Okay, very good. It is the exercise given to you on page number 57. I wrote on the board the words. Once you can see, have a look on the words, all of you. Work is the today word. Okay, work is the today word and worked is the yesterday word. Okay, today and yesterday. Okay children, in this way. And next Nana, they have given us the blanks. Be Roman. Complete the story with the yesterday words they have given. Amit and I dash out of the window at the rain. Amit, I looked. Blanks. Be Roman blanks, Nana. First blank, looked. Second one, Nana. We did not want to stay inside. We really wanted to go out. We really wanted to go out to play cricket. Ashok dashed us to play cards with him. Ashok wanted us to play cards with him. Wanted not Nana. wanted completed. Ashok asked us to play cards with him. Okay, coming to the fourth one, children. So we dash. So we agreed. So we agreed. 2 minutes after we started the card game. Started. Fifth one. Started. Okay. Sixth one, children. The rain stopped. So the words blanks given on page number 57. Once see, Nana, this is the Roman which we are discussing now. I hope you all are seeing, observing. First blank, looked. Second blank, wanted. Third one, asked. Fourth one, agreed. Fifth one, started. Sixth one, stopped. Okay, children. Now, children, see. Read the story from the textbook and revise the exercises which I have taught to you. Have a nice day, all of you children.